and close to St Michael's Mount. A wedding always draws a crowd, especially when there are royal guests, and so it was at the recent wedding at St Margaret's, Westminster, when the Queen's niece, the Honourable Margaret Elphinstone, married Mr Denys Rhodes. The bride is the daughter of Her Majesty's eldest sister and had herself been a bridesmaid at Princess Elizabeth's wedding. Today, Princess Margaret acted as chief bridesmaid, and as you see, the attendants of Their Majesties and Prince Philip lent royal grace and dignity to a very happy occasion. British